Okay, I believe that I am ready to do my Canvas Basics video. This is Laura Recheck, and I'm going to go over my English 2, Module 1 for Unit 1. So this is my home page here with my district shell. I'm going to go ahead and click into Student View and click Modules. And you can see that our first unit is our true crime unit. I have one of our plays that we're going to read. I also have the audio version for kids who would like to listen to it but follow along with the text. One on assignment here, and then I have our make here. There's a couple of other little mini lessons that we do before the make on this unit, but I have not uploaded those yet, especially since ELA 2 has not been able to meet yet. I wanted us to all kind of have uniformed things, so these were the things I know we're going to do, so I went ahead and just started that. Okay, so if I was a student, I'm in student view right now. I can click on an assignment and see. This is an assignment where they read a newspaper article and then they'll answer the questions above, looking at different reading elements like irony, and then also being able to draw conclusions, infer, and then cite using evidence from the text. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave student view, and I'm going to show you that I have an announcement. I just went ahead and did a welcome back announcement because I didn't know what else to do yet, but this is on my ELA 2 class. I've already published an announcement for my advisory class as well. Okay. Now you're wanting to see the calendar. I really don't know that I felt comfortable with the calendar as putting in a due date yet because of we haven't met as a department like the ELA 2, but I did put one in right here, and I will show you that I wrote just start of school. I made that a part of our calendar here. Okay, I have my course published. I can show you at my dashboard that it is my published course right here, and here is my ELA 2 that I created. It's right here. Okay, and then I do have like Honors Comp and Lit, which is unpublished because I'm still editing it. So you can see that, and then you can see my semester 2s are still unpublished. Okay, I believe that is everything you needed to see that I know how to do. So thank you.